Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App failed for my protection. So first of all, I will show you the problem when you can send the money and you will face this problem. I also can't receive money in my Cash App. So first of all, what you have to do is just open up phone settings, scroll down and tap on this app management and click on this app list. Now from here, you have to search for this Cash App. You will see there it is. Just tap to open it, and now this window will pop up for you. You have to tap on this permission. Make sure to allow all the permissions to the Cash App like this. So just make sure to allow all the permissions and then go back and tap on this storage and cache and tap on this clear cache and clear storage, and now just go to the home screen and then open your Play Store application, and here you can search Cash App and check there is any update. If there is any update available, just tap to update and update it to the latest version, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.